Good afternoon guys. Today I am back with another video. Today I will unbox a particular product, that is a wireless mic which I have procured from Amazon. Let me show you the mic. Why I chose a wireless mic? Because while making videos, you have seen most of my videos are with the help of this lapel mic. This is very good and it gives very good audio, but the problem is it has got a long wire and it often gets tangled with the body and there becomes a loose connection at the 3.5 mm jack point, and I often lose audio and I had to make up that audio again, making the video again, and that is quite tiresome. So I choose to purchase this particular Audioarrey. Audioarrey is a reputed brand making audio mics, and this is their affordable mic with one transmitter and one receiver, which I have procured from Amazon, and the cost is around 4,500 to 5,000 rupees. It's a bit expensive because at this price you get competitive brands with two mics, but here you get only one mic. This is the box, and inside there are some instruction manual and warranty activation card. Let us unbox it first, because when you are going for reputed branded mics like Rode, the minimum price is for the AC version is 13,000. For a new YouTuber, spending 13,000 to 20,000 for a mic is pretty expensive. So you can pick up this mic after seeing this particular review of this particular product. Now this is the TX and RX, and it's very basic, and the travel bag is very nice, so it will be easier for you to carry. Now these are also made in China, and here there is an output. This is the mic, here is the mic, and here also you can attach a lapel mic. These are the connecting wires. This is the dead cat. You can attach a dead cat. This is the lapel mic that has been provided by this company. That is a nice addition. This is the jack for phone. Those who will be using for the phone, they need this type of connector. I will be using mainly for my Gopro because I make most of my videos with Gopro. So I will require this particular connection. And here is the USB-C connector for charging this particular unit. So this is the USB-C. If you have a iPhone, so this is USB-C to 3.5 mm connection, but one problem will be there because they have provided with only one USB-C jack, so you need to charge them separately. Now let us first connect it. Before that, let us connect these two, and here is the power connection, and these are for the gain controls with which you can increase or decrease the gain of your mic output. So let us first power it on. Okay, it has powered on and it is searching for this one. So now you see both has been connected. Now let me connect it in my Gopro, and I will be showing you how the audio quality is. So I will slide it here. one end will go there and the other one is here. So it has been connected. Now I will connect this one. Now I will be talking, making my video with the help of this particular mic, and let's check. Now the audio you will hear from this particular mic. Now I am inside a room and outside there is a road and there is some noise. So this is the audio you are hearing from this particular mic. Hello testing, mic testing, 1 2 3 4 5. Hello mic testing, hello mic testing, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the audio what you have heard while I am inside a room and there is some noise outside. So I will let you to judge how the audio quality is. Now I am outside in an open road and there is sufficient wind blowing, so you will be able to hear the wind noise also, and I am letting you to judge how the audio quality is, and I am talking from this particular mic. Now I am at a distance of around 15 feet. I will go further distance as it claims it will support up to 50 meters or more. Let us see how the audio is. Hello mic testing, hello mic testing. 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 Hello, hello. And I am now at a sufficient distance. Hello mic testing, hello mic testing. And remember, the audio will be perfect while you are in the line of sight. So if you deviate from the line of sight, the audio quality will suffer. So this is the audio in outside. Now I will show you how the audio quality is with dead cat and with the lapel mic they have supplied. Now I will show you how the audio quality is with this particular dead cat. Let us attach it. So I have attached the dead cat, and with this dead cat let us see how the audio quality is. Hello mic testing, hello mic testing. Welcome to Super Cyber, and do watch our videos, and if you like the video, please do subscribe our channel for more videos like this, because your subscription gives us encouragement to make more videos for you. So if you find this audio quality good with this particular dead cat, so you can, there is sufficient noise, there is birds are there, bird noise is there, people are talking over here, so you can see only my voice should be received at this particular receiver's end. So you check how the audio quality is with this particular dead cat. Now I will check how the audio quality is with this lapel mic. It has been provided by this audio array. So this is a nice addition, I feel. Now this is the voice you are getting with this particular lapel mic that has been supplied by this audio array, and I am letting you to judge again how the audio quality is, and I am at a sufficient distance, say around 20 feet. I am going further also. Hello mic testing, hello mic testing. Hello mic testing, hello mic testing. Hello mic testing, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hello mic testing, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I have come a sufficient distance, and it is around 30 meters, and I am letting you to judge to see the audio quality. So this is the audio you are getting with the help of a lapel mic. That is the unboxing and review of this particular audio array wireless mic. And if you have find this video useful, and if you think this is the right mic for you, you can buy from the links I will be providing in the description box. And remember, a crisp, good audio quality is very important to make your YouTube video successful. Thank you very much. and goodbye. Please do subscribe.